Hi my dear friends, greetings from Zurich. It's Friday evening, and we start to do our little dancing exercise right in office, and tonight, right on the spot. So it's about waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The waves are done because we have joints. Here the major role is with knee joint, hip joints, and our rib cage. It's a rib cage, our thorax. And this ball-like joint, shoulder joint. So shoulder joint at the wave forward, which I just have shown, plays no role. But what's important is our knee joint and our hip joint, which allows us to move the pelvis. So we do it again like this, for ladies and for partners equally. Forward. Initial position, 3, 4. Both heels are heightened, so pelvis is forward. It's not like this. It's forward, and the knees are bent. The arms are in counter motion. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the pelvis is doing the following move. It goes first backwards, and then it pushes your thorax, your rib cage, forward together with your head. So once again, we can move knee joint, hip joint. We can move our thorax. You see, it's a thorax, and I can move it with respect to the line of my arm, forwards or backwards, forwards and backwards. I cannot rotate with it. And there is still my head, which I can move like this. All together, to produce a wave forward, you do the following. Once again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In salsa, you come to this position from partners, from ladies, basic step at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As a partner, you start with the left foot and you go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. The only stylistic difference is in style, in the sense that partners move more shoulders. And it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just partner has to more aggressively lift shoulders. So frontally it looks like this. Lady, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulders are not heightened. 1, 2, 3, 4. You came to position, initial position of a wave forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So as a partner, you do it like this. It's really hard to do on Friday evening after sitting the whole day in the chair. Once again, for the partner, you do it in salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember that you partner and you have to lift your shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it. Oh. Your partner, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dominate. Be a strong, big man. Well, so it's the simplest wave forward which I have shown to you, and it is a series of so-called isolations. Isolation, don't be afraid of this word, it's simply a movement of a joint. Knee joint can move only in this direction to be bent forward, right? So the hip joint is actually moving any direction. Then the rib cage is moving this direction, and your shoulder joint is moving also any direction. It's a ball and socket joint. So exercise of each joint are called isolations. Isolation for shoulder joint is either this or this or this. You just invent your own because this joint is rotating anyway. So isolation of knee joint is just forward and back, forward and back. There is not much to learn. Very tricky are isolations, and those are basic isolations of your pelvis. So in order to move pelvis, you can actually rotate it anyway. So you can rotate it this way, you see, backwards. You can rotate it forward. So you might wish to spend time spending with movements of isolations. It could be also not just rotation of pelvis, but just horizontal motion of a pelvis, like in kizomba. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes very smoothly, it's a straight line. Still, it's isolation because it's isolated movement of one joint or one part of your body, namely of your pelvis. So exercise also your rib cage, your thorax. So it's easy. Stand like this in front of the mirror, and do it like this. Move rib cage forward, move rib cage backward. Move it forward, move it backward. Move it forward, up, move it backward, down. It's also isolation of rib cage. I really hope that you liked the wave forward. It's the most basic wave. Once again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's a basic and one of the most beautiful waves in Latin dances. So use it in salsa as partner, as lady, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or as partner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo. Well, I hope you liked this little lesson about waves and isolations. More waves are coming when we're dancing after the quarantine in a pair. So have a very nice evening, have a very nice weekend, and see you next time. Bye bye.